The SB extension identifies a Scratch project file containing interactive programming projects, created in MIT's Scratch visual coding environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or share these Scratch programming projects. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn SB files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. SB files are project files for Scratch 1.x MIT's visual block-based programming environment for education. They contain sprite definitions, costumes, sounds, scripts, and stage backgrounds, bundled together in Squeak Smalltalk's object serialization format. Scratch SB files use Squeak's binary object format to serialize all project data, including sprite images, sounds, and block script trees. The format is specific to Scratch 1.x and requires conversion to work with the current Scratch 3 web platform. The core association for the SB file points directly to Scratch developed by MIT Media Lab. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows cannot open game archives or pack files natively, so specialized utilities are needed. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your SB file and choose Open With. Use Scratch if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. If your SB file will not open, do not worry. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, opening SB files. Install Scratch 1.4 offline editor from the MIT Scratch website archives to open SB files directly. Alternatively, use the ScratchX offline editor. The current Scratch 3 online platform does not directly import the older SB binary format. Next, converting to Scratch. 3. Use the SB to SB3 conversion tool available through the Scratch community to convert older project files to the modern SB3 format, compatible with Scratch 3. Some script blocks may not convert perfectly, due to changes in Scratch's block set between versions. Finally, recovering project content. If conversion tools are unavailable, open the SB file in a Squeak Smalltalk environment to manually extract sprite images and review script content. Document the logic manually and recreate the project in Scratch 3 using the Scratch Online editor. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of File Magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.